Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be reading a book called The Hippopotamus. Hick by Aaron Zenz. Hick, 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 there was a hippopotamus who hiccuped quite a lotamus, and every time he got a miss, he fall upon his bottomus. One day he saw an elephant with cakes of green and yellow fent. Hick, he tried to tell her, "Hello, Fent," but it didn't go so well, Fent. She chased him toward a centipede pouring new centipede. He hicked by accident, hick, and tripped the elephantpede. They ran near the rhinoceros with mighty dental flossers. Hick, the string went all criss-crossers. And that was the last straw, Chris. They tried to find some cure which they could share be a what or why or where be to stop this long nightmare be. They wrapped him round with liquor and spun him very quickerish. Hick, they secured him to a buffalo and made him huff up and puffalo. Boo! Hick, they acquired an aquarium and flashed something scarium. They poured him tubs of vinegar and tickled his chinniger. Hick, and then at last a miracle. His hiccups so sever clayed just didn't replicate. He grinned from ear to auricle until hick, 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 hick. Another short book. I hope you enjoyed this book. So what I noticed about this is there was a chorus, there was one buffalo. Yeah, these are basically like adding a word with one of the last words. So yeah, and I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope to see you in my next video.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!